Hello everybody, so today I'm gonna show you how to use a Sherlock tool in Linux. So what you can do to install this is apt search Sherlock. You can do this, and here we have a tool. So in order to install it, you have to do sudo apt get install Sherlock. Since I have already installed it, and for this I'm gonna use proxy while searching the user. So it's better to be safe. Don't directly search because you leave your footprint. That's why be safe. So you can do apt search Tor. So you need a Tor, and for that I could just do sudo apt get install Tor. Since I have already installed it, what you can do is let me go to another. Since I have already installed it, right, before that I have to edit the file. Here the location is ect torc. So in that file I have to untick the control port is 9051. So you need to unmark this, then you can just save it and wq save and exit it. So once you have done that, right, you can just use Tor. After that everything has been started, and now let me just use Sherlock. So I can just do 2, it's on 1, so it's right over here. Then you can do Sherlock, then use proxy for that. Since this door has been started on this port 9050, so we have our open controller listener at 9051. Since it is similar to NG-Rock, so in there it uses default port as 8080 and 8081. So it's similar like that. So let me just get started with with Sherlock. So I could just do Sherlock, then use proxy, use sock 5, then the localhost IP address, then the port number. After that I could use the name. So I'm gonna use username. So I'm gonna search for that user, and I could just do enter. So let's wait for it. So this is gonna be on little bit of slower side. So if you want to search a user, so you can use without using proxy, but I urge you to use a proxy, then use this tool. Let's wait for a few seconds. So it has been showing all the user that uses this name, and let me just show you. Let me just cancel it, right? So after you have completed the search, it shows like this, and you can just do Control C. So then you have to use this command to stop the Tor session on cancel. So you have to do use this command. Let's do enter. Let's enter my password. Right now my Tor service has been ended. Thank you guys